Okay, let's take a look at Chij 2023 Prelim Paper 2. Okay, given that fx equals to 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus x minus 2, show that x plus 1 is a factor and hence factorize fx completely. Okay, so here what we can do, fx equals to 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus x minus 2. F function sub in -1 equals to 6 -1 cubed plus 7 -1 squared minus -1 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Now, you don't need to use a calculator to go and key whether is it equals to 0 because it must be, right? Because they show that it is a factor. So it must be equals to 0, factor theorem. Okay, hence factorize fx completely. So fx is equals to x plus 1, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we can also say that this left-hand side is 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, alternatively, you can use long division to get the answer straight away. Okay, but you can also do what I'm doing now over here, comparison. So by comparison, right, for the coefficient of x cubed, which can only be attained by taking this x times ax squared. So we can conclude that a equals to 6. Okay, as well as we can compare -2, right, must be equals to c because 1 times c, okay, gives me the number term. So c equals to -2. Okay, so now finding the in between, I can just sub in as any other values to find the b. So let's say I sub in x equals to 1, right? So I have 6, 1 cubed plus 7, 1 squared minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 1 plus 1, which is 2. A is 6, 6 times 1 squared plus b plus minus 2, okay, close. All right. So on the left-hand side, 6 plus 7, 13 minus 3, 10. 10 equals to 2 times 6 minus 2, which is 4. 4 plus b. Okay, so b equals to 5, 1, right? 1. B equals to 1. Oh, so that means the equation is going to be, okay, let me see how to continue from here. Okay, so equals to x plus 1, 6x squared plus x minus 2, which can be then factorized again into x plus 1, 3x, 2x. Okay, so this is plus 2 minus 1. Okay, oh, okay, not enough space, right? So I can't present it as well. Okay, but you get the idea. Oh, the equation of a circle is x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals to 26. Determine if the origin O lies inside or outside the circle. Okay, so by looking at the equation, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals to 26. We can gather that the center of the circle is 3 and -4, and the radius is equals to square root 26. Okay, now origin is the point OO. Okay, so CO equals to square root of 3 minus 0 square plus -4 minus 0 square, which is equals to 5, since the radius is greater than CO. Therefore, origin must lies inside the circle. Okay, question 3. 3EX plus 2 equals to E negative X. So we can do something with the E negative X. That will be equals to 1 over EX. Now, at this situation, okay, pretty obvious, we have to use sum. Let Y equals to EX. So we'll have 3Y plus 2 equals to 1 over Y. Cross multiply, 3Y squared plus 2Y minus 1 equals to 0. Factorize, 3y, y, right? So we want positive, so plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. y equals -1, ex equals -1, which is not possible, okay? Because exponent can never go to 0 nor negative. So this will be rejected, okay? So 3y equals to 1, y equals to 1/3, ex equals to 1/3. Take ln at both sides, ln ex equals to ln 1/3. So ln e cancels off, x equals to ln 1/3, which is ln 1 over 3, negative 1.0986, round off, negative 1.0123, 1.10, I believe 1.10. Okay. Okay. Question 4. Given that y equals to 16 over cube root of 5 minus 3x, find the values, okay, values of x when dy dx equals to 1. Okay, so could have more than one value, right? Otherwise, the question wouldn't have put it in such a way. Okay, so y equals to, okay, I'm going to rewrite this, 16, 5 minus 3x to the power of -1/3. Okay, so because differentiating like this is easier. So dy dx equals to negative 16 over 3 bracket 5 minus 3x to the power of negative 4 over 3 multiplied by the differential of the inside, which is -3. Which then will happen is that negative and negative will cancel, over 3 and 3 will cancel. So we'll get 16, 5 minus 3x to the power of negative 4 over 3. Okay, find the values of x for which dy dx equals to 1. So when dy dx equals to 1, we'll have 16, 5 minus 3x to the power of -4 over 3 equals to 1. Okay, so cross multiply over, right? 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 over 3 equals to 16. Okay, right? Sorry, let me shrink this down. Okay, so now, okay, over here, right, to solve this, okay, so we can do a little bit, we can just root 4 over 3, okay, on the other side, okay, so we can take away the roots, okay, and we say that, okay, so let's do this, 5 minus 3x, okay, to the power of 4 over 3 equals to plus minus 2, okay, sorry, okay, equals to 2 to power 4. Okay, I can do it this way. So since they are the same, they can have the same power, right, in a sort of way. So we can say that 5 minus 3x to the power of 1/3 to the power of 4 equals to 2 power 4. So then we can do the taking off away the power 4, right, and says that 5 minus 3x to the power of 1/3 is equals to 2. Okay, now not just 2, okay, it's actually plus minus 2. Okay, right, because when you take away the root of power 4, right, there's always a positive and a negative side. Okay, so now cube both sides. Okay, if I do this, okay, and I cube both sides, okay, I will get 5 minus 3x alone, okay, because 1/3 and cube will cancel off, right, these two will cancel off, equals to 8 or -8. Okay, so let's solve it two ways. 5 minus 3x equals to 8. So 3x equals to -3, x equals -1. Or 5 minus 3x equals -8, 3x equals to 13, x equals to 13 out of 3. Okay, and this is, okay, both answers are fine. Okay. Find the value of integral of 1 over y, 1 over 10y dx, giving your answer correct to 3SF. Okay, so integral 10 of y dx, okay, which is 16 bracket 5 minus 3x to the power of 1/3. Sorry, negative 1/3 dx. Okay, so this is going to be equals to integral. Okay, let's put it into, okay, let's just solve it. So 1, 0. Okay, 16, let's put it on the outside. So integrate this. Okay, we'll have 5 minus 3x power up. So negative 1/3 power up plus 1. Okay, new power divided by the new power multiplied by the differential of the inside, which is negative 3. So then what happens here? 3 and negative 3 will give me negative 1. So 16 brings into the negative 2 at the bottom will give me negative 8. 5 minus 3x, 1, 0. Okay, subbing in 1, 0, okay, to this situation. So we'll have first bracket, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 times negative 8, negative 16, minus 5 minus, say, 5, 0, minus 40. Okay, negative 16 minus negative 40, I'll get 24. Wait. Oh, wait, sorry. I missed out the power. Okay, right, because the answer is supposed to be 3SF. So that means my answer is wrong. Wait. Okay, so let me see, equals to, oh, there's a power 2 over 3 down here that I missed. Okay, so anyways, it'll still be the same result, negative 8, bracket, 5 minus 3x to the power of 2 over 3, bracket, okay, 1, 0. Okay, so let's bring in the negative 8 at the final end. Okay, so we'll have 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 to the power of 2/3 minus 5 to the power of 2/3. Okay, something like this. Okay, so calculator, 2 to the power of 2 over 3 minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3, okay, multiplied by negative 8. So 10.692, then 3SF, 10.7. Okay. 5a. Using the substitution z equals to 1 plus x, write down all the terms in the expression 1 plus x to the power of 6, leaving each term in the form k bracket 1 plus x p, where k and p are integers. Okay, so let z equals to 1 plus x. Okay, so 1 plus z to power 6 will be equals to 1 plus 6, 1, 1, 5. All the terms, oh my god. Okay, so all the terms, I need a lot of space. Okay, bracket z plus, I'm going to write a little bit smaller as well, 6, 2, 1, 4, z squared plus 6, 3, 1 cube, z cube plus 6, 4, 1, 2, z4 plus 6, 5, 1, 1, z5 plus 6, 6, 1, 0, z6. Okay, equals to 1 plus 6 z, leaving each term in the form of 1 plus x, okay, plus 6, 2 is okay, 15, 1 plus x squared plus 6, 3 is 20, 1 plus x cubed plus 20, 1 plus x4 plus 15, 1 plus x5 plus 6, 1 plus z6. Z. Okay, wait, let's check. 64. Oh, sorry, this is 15 already. Fifteen, 6, 1. Okay. Okay. Hence, show that the remainder when 2 plus x6 divided by 1 plus x is 1. Hmm. Okay. 2 plus x to power 6 divided by 1 plus x can be then interpreted as 1 plus 6, 1 plus x plus 15, 1 plus x squared plus 20, 1 plus x cubed plus 15, 1 plus x4 plus 6, 1 plus x5 plus 1 plus x6 over 1 plus x equals to, okay, how am I going to do this? Oh, okay. So they are finding the remainder. Oh, I didn't see carefully, right? Okay, so that means this is going to be 1 plus, okay. Notice that all these terms all contains a 1 plus 6 in 1 plus x in them. Okay, so if I take this as a function, okay, and I take -1 inside it, okay, so okay, by factor theorem, right? I'm going to solve this by factor theorem, okay, because I didn't see that it's a factor, okay. I mean, I didn't see that they're asking for remainder, okay. So if I take function of -1, okay, into, okay, right. So considering 2 plus x to the power of 6 as fx, okay, which is equals to the part in A, which is, okay, I'm not going to write the whole thing, so I'm just going to copy paste down here. Okay, so fx equals to this. Okay, so that means if I take a function of -1, it will be equals to 1 plus the whole thing down here, right? Sub in -1 will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so f -1 equals to 1. Sure. Okay. B, given that the coefficients of x squared in the expansion of 1 plus 2x, 1 minus px to the power of 5 is 20, find the two possible values of the constant p. Okay, so 1 plus 2x bracket 1 minus px to the power of 5. Okay, the coefficients of x squared. Now, to get the coefficient of x squared, okay, what do we need to understand? This 1 needs to multiply by the x squared term. This needs to multiply by the x term. Okay, so 1 minus px, the x is going to increase, right? So we need the second term and the third term. Okay, so specific term, right? So that will be equals to 1 plus 2x multiplied. We are not concerned with the first term, okay? So plus, okay, or rather minus, right? Okay, the first term will be what? Okay, sorry, plus, let's just go say plus. Okay, the second term will be 5, 1, 1, 4 multiplied by negative px. Okay, plus 5, 2, 1, 3, negative px squared. Okay, plus dot dot dot. Okay, so that will be equals to 1 plus 2x multiplied by 5, 1 is 5, so negative 5px plus 5, 2 is 10, 10p squared x squared, p square x squared, right? Okay, plus dot dot dot. Okay, so for x squared, okay, we are looking at negative 5p plus, oh, sorry, neg 10p squared minus 10p, okay, equals to 20. So p squared minus p minus 2 equals to 0. P minus 2, p plus 1 equals to 0. P equals to 2, or p equals to negative 1. Okay, two possible values, right? So we cancel. Okay, question 6. At time t seconds, the velocity of a metal ball falling through a very thick liquid is given by V equals to 8 bracket 1 minus e to the power of negative t over 3. State the initial velocity of the ball. Initial velocity when t equals to 0. Okay, so V equals to 8 bracket 1 minus e to the power of 0, okay, which is 0, right? Okay, because 1 minus 1 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0. Oh, so first answer is 0. Okay, meter per second. The depth of the liquid from the surface of the liquid at time t second is s meter. The ball is initially on the surface of the liquid. Find an expression for the depth of the ball in terms of t. Okay, so integral, right? Displacement is equals to integrate v dt. So equals to 8 minus 8e negative t over 3 integral. So equals to 8t minus, or rather plus 24 e negative t over 3 plus c. Okay? Okay. So when t equals to 0, s equals to 0. Okay? So we have 24 to the power of 24 plus c equals to 0. So 24 plus c equals 0. C equals negative 24. Okay? So therefore, the expression is s equals to 8t plus 24 e negative t over 3 minus 24. Okay? Show that the ball is accelerating throughout motion. Okay? What does it? Okay, so never mind. Acceleration first, right? So A equals to dv dt equals to negative 1/3, okay, positive, sorry, e to the power of negative t over 3. Okay, since, okay, e to the power of negative t over 3 will forever be greater than 0, therefore 1/3 e negative t over 3 will always be greater than 0. Okay, therefore, okay, ball is always accelerating. Okay. Deduce the motion of the ball for large values of t. Okay, so as t, right, approaches, okay, as t becomes very large, okay, the ball acceleration will just, oh, they say motion of the ball, right? Okay, velocity equals to, what's the equation? 8 bracket 1 minus e negative t over 3. Okay, as t becomes large, okay, e negative t over 3 approaches 0. Therefore, v equals to 8 bracket 1 minus 0 equals to 8 meter per second. Okay. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD with ABC and ADC equals to 90 degree. Okay. Angle BAD equals to theta. Okay, so this 90 degree is cut, so this is 90 minus theta. And add a horizontal line down here. Okay, so that this becomes theta. Okay, so this is also right angle. Okay, okay. Now, angle BAD equals the length of AD, BC, and CD are 5 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter respectively. The point F on AD is such that BF is perpendicular to AD. Show that BF is cosine theta plus 3. Okay, so since this angle is theta, right? So let's say this is let's call this x, right? Okay, let x be the point on BF such that, okay, CX is perpendicular to BF. Oh, okay, so just put a statement like this. Okay, so then we say cosine theta is equals to BX over 1. Okay, so BX equals to cos theta. BF equals to BX plus XF equals to cos theta plus 1. Oh, okay, cos theta. Okay, sure. Hence, show that 5 sine theta minus cos theta equals to 3. Okay, so that means that if you look at the perspective of the big triangle, okay, BF is also 5 sine theta, right? Okay, 5 sine theta equals to BF over 3. Okay, right, BF over 5. Okay, so BF equals to 5 sine theta. Oh, so 5 sine theta equals to cos theta plus 3. Okay, not plus 1 plus 3, sorry. Okay, so 5 sine theta minus cos theta equals to 3. Sure. Okay. By expressing the value in the form r sine theta minus alpha, okay, find the value of theta. Okay, 5 sine theta minus cos theta into the form of r sine theta minus alpha. Okay, so sine theta, okay, so that means r equals to square root 5 squared minus, sorry, plus 1 squared equals to square root 26. Tangent alpha sine theta cos alpha cos theta sine alpha cos theta sine alpha. So 1 over 5, right? 1 over 5. Alpha equals to tangent inverse 1 over 5. Tangent inverse 1 over 5. Okay, 11.309 degrees. Okay, so find the value of theta. Okay, so that means 5 sine theta minus cos alpha equals to 3 can now be expressed as root 26 sine theta minus 11.309 equals to 3. Okay, so sine theta minus 11.309 equals to 3 over root 26. Theta minus 11.309 equals to sine inverse 3 over root 26. Okay, equals to 36.039. Theta equals to plus 11.309. Okay, 47.348, which round off to 47.3 degree, 31 dp. Okay, okay, question 8. Okay. The equation of a curve C1 is y equals to 6x minus 3x squared. Show that the coordinates of the maximum point, okay, keyword maximum point are 1 and 3. Okay, so that means this is going to be completing the square. Y equals to negative 3x squared plus 6x equals to negative 3x squared minus 2x. Okay, right? To complete the square equals to negative 3 x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to negative 3x minus 1 squared plus 3. Okay, so therefore, okay, turning point, aka max point, is 1 and 3. Sure. Okay. Using our answer in part 1, state the value of range of the values of k for which the curve C1 lies entirely below the line y equals to k. Okay, so k must be more than 3. The curve C2 is the reflection of the curve C1 in the line y equals to k, where k takes one of the values found in part 2. Deduce the equation of the curve C2 giving your answer in terms of k. Okay, so for understanding purposes, let's draw a sketch of the curve, right? This is a set phase. It's a maximum turning point at 1 and 3. Okay, so 1 and 3, okay, let's say 1 and 3 is, okay, let's draw it. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, let's say 1 and 3 is somewhere over here. Okay, and then we have our curve looking like this. Okay, now a curve is then reflected along the line y equals to k, which we don't know what is y equals to k that is. Okay, but when it is reflected, what happens? This point will be equal distance apart. Okay, okay, from the line k. So k becomes the center line. This line is y equals to k. Okay, so whatever the distance down here, this will be equal. Okay, that is what we know. And then this becomes a minimum point because now the graph is going to be like this. Okay, right? So that's the equation of the graph. Okay, deduce the equation of the graph of the curve, okay, C2, okay, giving your answer in terms of k. Now, the curve is going to be y equals to, now it's no longer negative, so it's going to be positive, right? Okay, x minus 1 squared plus something, okay, which is a turning point, right? Okay, so this turning point is a k minus 3, correct? Okay, so this distance is k minus 3, so this distance is k plus 3. So plus k plus 3. Okay. Okay, sorry, I think I made a mistake. Okay, it shouldn't be this. Okay, the idea is correct. Okay, so now, right. So that means the line y equals to k is supposed to be the middle point, right? I just said that. Okay, this is supposed to be the middle point. Okay, so this coordinate, right, is 1 and, okay, let's say it's okay, a random value, right? Let's say okay, let us use x, let's say it's z, right? Okay, 1 and z. Oh, okay. So then what happens is that okay, this point is 1 and 3. Okay, so that means the midpoint is 3 plus z over 2 equals to k. Okay, so 3 plus z equals to 2k, z equals to 2k minus 3. So that means this point is going to be 2k minus 3. Then the equation will be y equals to x minus 1. Okay, because this is still x equals to 1, right? Then plus 2k minus 3. That's all. Okay. Okay, another line y equals to x plus a is a tangent to the curve C1 at point P. Find the value of the constant a. Where is point P? Okay, y equals to x plus a is a tangent to the curve at point P. Okay, tangent to the curve. Okay, so line, the curve is y equals to negative 3x squared plus 6x, right? Okay, and then another line, y equals to x plus a is a tangent. So equate the two lines, I would have negative 3x squared plus 6x equals to x plus a. Negative 3x squared plus 5x minus a equals to 0. Now, for this to be a tangent, that means that b squared minus 4ac must be equals to 0. So 5 squared minus 4, negative 3, negative 8 must be equals to 0. Okay, so that means 25 minus 12a equals to 0. 12a equal to 25, a equals to 25 over 12. Okay, find the coordinates of P. Okay, so the line is y equals to x plus 25 over 12. Okay, now, but we know the equation already, right? Negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 25 over 12 equals to 0. Okay, so coordinates will be x equals to, okay, negative 5 plus minus square root 5 squared minus 4, negative 3, negative 25 over 12 over negative 6 equals to. Okay, since it's a tangent, so it should only give you one value. So that means, okay, when I do this, right, negative 3, 5, and negative 25 out of 12. Okay, I will get 0 0.8333. Oh, what is 0 0.8333? 0 0.83333 is 5 over 6. Okay, 5 over 6. Okay, so only one answer, right? Okay, so y equals to x plus part A, so 5 over 6 plus 25 over 12, which is 35 over 12, right? So P is the point, 5 over 6, 35 over 12. Okay, next. What is the equation of circle again? Equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 12y plus 36 equals to 0. The equation of the line L is y equals to kx, where k is a constant. Find the radius of the circle and the coordinates of its center. Okay, so this one we can just complete the square. Okay, x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 12y equals to negative 36. X squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 12y plus 36 equals to negative 36 plus 36 plus 4. Okay, so x minus 2 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals to 2 squared. So center is 2, 6. Radius is 2. Okay. Okay. States the equation of the horizontal tangents to the circle. Okay, so can just draw an image for understanding. Okay, the center is 2, 6. Okay, and the radius is 2. So horizontal tangents are over here and over here, right? Okay, okay, like this. Huh? So horizontally, this will be at the point 2, 4. This is the point 2 and oh sorry, this is 2, 4 and this is 2, 8. Okay, so that means the horizontal tangent is y equals to 8, y equals to 4. Okay, find the range of values of k for which the L does not intersect the circle. Okay, so y equals to kx, right? So let's just sub kx in. Oh, so x minus 2 square plus y is kx minus 6 square equals to 2 square. Okay, so expand up x square minus 4x plus 4 plus kx square minus 12kx plus 36 equals to 4. Okay, bring everything to one side. X square, okay, 1 plus k x square minus 4 plus 12k x plus 36 equals 0. Okay, a equals to 1 plus k, b equals to negative 4 plus 12k, c equals to 36. Okay, b squared minus 4ac equals to okay, b squared minus 4ac must be less than 0 because I don't want intersection. So 4 plus 12k squared minus 4, 1 plus k, 36 must be less than 0. Okay, 144 k squared plus 24, 96k plus 16 minus 144 minus 144k must be less than 0. Okay, so 144k squared minus 48k minus 13128 must be less than 0. Factorize out the 16, 9k squared minus 3k minus 8 must be less than 0. Let's see whether we can factorize that. 9, negative 3, negative 8. We can't factorize. Okay, can't factorize means I must have done something wrong. Okay, let's see. 16 plus 96k plus 144k squared minus 144 minus 144k. Oh, okay, I saw my mistake. This is k squared. Yeah. K square x squared. So it's 1 plus k squared. So this is 1 plus k squared. Okay, so this is 1k squared. This is k. No, it's still, it's not K. 144. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 144K squared actually gets cancelled out. So 96K is lesser than 128. So K is 128 divided by 6, which is 1/4/3. Okay. Okay. It is given that K equals to 1. The point on the line L that is closest to P, to the circle, is P. Find the coordinates of the line. Okay. Find the range of values of K for which the line does not intersect the curve. Okay, then from here, we realize that K must be less than 4/3. So that means 1 is lesser than 4/3. So that means it's not intersecting. Okay, so I have a curve that is not intersecting with the line. The line is y equals to x. Okay, well, okay, so let's try to visualize that out. Okay, so y equals to x is like this. Okay, y equals to x is like this line. Or let's call this line y equals to x. I have a circle with center 2 and 6. Okay, so uh, 2, okay, let's say this is 2 and 6, right? This is 1, this is 2, 6 is, let's say, 3 and 6. Okay, let's say it's 6. Okay, center is down here, square is, okay, circle is down here. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, okay. So the line and the circle is not intersecting. Eh, okay, sorry, I was thinking about something else. Okay, so the point on the line L closest to the circle is P. Okay, so for the to be closest to the circle means the distance must be the shortest. Okay, so that means this must be perpendicular, right? And this must be the point P, okay, which is closest to it. Okay, find the coordinates of P. Okay, so in order to do that, okay, let's extend the line, this line, right? Must be perpendicular. Okay, this must be perpendicular. Okay, so that means what is the equation of this line, right? This line would be y, okay, the gradient, because this gradient is 1x. Okay, so that means the gradient of the purple line will be y equals to negative x plus c. And since it passes through the center, okay, which is 2, 6, so 6 equals to negative 2 plus c, c equals to 8, y equals to negative x plus 8. Okay, so the line y equals negative x plus 8 touches the circle. Then we'll just sub this into the equation again, which is x minus 2 square plus negative x plus 8 minus 6 square. Is it? Yeah, y minus 6 square, right, equals to 2 square. In order to find the x. So we have x minus 2 square plus negative x plus 2 square equals to 2 square. So x square minus 4x plus 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 4. Okay, so 2x square minus 8x plus 4 equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Copy it. Wait, yeah, I did anything wrong. X square minus 8x plus 8. The point on the line L that is closest to the circle is P. Oh, wait, I'm solving for the wrong thing. No wonder. Okay, this line P is y equals to negative x plus 8. It touches the line y equals to x. Okay, the point P is actually this point, right? I'm actually trying to find this point. This point is P. Okay, so then y equals to negative x plus 8. Okay, so negative x plus 8 is equals to x. Okay, so 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. Then y equals to 4. So P is the point for 4. Okay. It's question 10. Show that ddx x e power negative 1 quarter x is equals to 1 minus 1 quarter x bracket e negative 1 quarter x. Okay. So product rule, right? Okay. d dx x e negative 1 quarter x is equals to okay, x times negative 1 quarter e negative 1 quarter x plus e negative 1 quarter x times 1. Okay, so then we have e negative 1 quarter x as a common factor. Factorize out, we'll get negative 1 quarter x plus 1. Okay, which is equals to 1 minus 1 quarter x bracket, okay, e negative 1 quarter x. Presented exactly to what they want to show. Okay, hence, show that integral of this is equals to this, where c is a constant. Okay, so this sort of question, what do? We just integrate, okay, what we just differentiate. Okay, so we'll have integral of, okay, 1 minus 1 quarter x e negative 1 quarter x equals to xe negative 1 quarter x. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we'll have okay, separate them out. We'll have integrate e negative 1 quarter x minus integral 1 quarter x e negative 1 quarter x equals to xe negative 1 quarter x. Okay, plus c, right? If you want k plus c. Okay, we can settle this part first. Okay, now then the thing is, right? Okay, we only want to integrate xe negative 1 quarter x. So that means this. Okay, we only want this. So now, yeah, we can bring the 1 quarter out as well. Okay, so we'll have, okay, negative 1 quarter integral xe negative 1 quarter x dx. Okay, for put dx down here, dx down here. Okay, equals to xe negative 1 quarter x minus, okay, integral e negative 1 quarter x dx. Okay, whole thing plus c. Okay, on the outside. Okay, now bring the negative 1 quarter to the other side. Okay, or rather I can just multiply everything by negative 4. All right, so since it's an equation, so if I multiply everything by negative 4, okay, that will work as well. then this will become plus 4. Okay, so then this one and this one will cancel off. So then I will get integral xe negative 1/4 x dx equals to negative 4xe negative 1/4 x. Now come to this part, plus 4. Okay, I'm going to integrate e negative 1/4 x. So integrate e negative 1/4 x, I will just get back e negative 1/4 x, because ex is stubborn. Okay, now, and then divides by the differential, which is negative 1/4 again. Okay, plus c. Okay, so 4 divided by negative 1/4, we'll get negative 4x e negative 1/4 x minus 16 e negative 1/4 x plus c, which then we can arrange into negative 16e negative 1/4 x minus 4x e negative 1/4 x plus c shown. Okay. Okay. Their paper is so weird. Another integration, paper 2. Okay. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals to xe negative 1/4 x. The point M is the maximum point of the curve and OM is a straight line. Show that the shaded region is 16 minus 40 over e unit squared. Okay, so the point M is the maximum point and OM is a straight line. Since it's a maximum point, right, then dy dx equals to 0. So we have dy dx, right, is equals to dy dx was equals to 1 minus 1/4 x e negative 1/4 x, right? Let me check. 1 minus 1/4 x. Yeah. Okay. So maximum point is also a stationary point. Okay. So dy dx equals to 0. So 1 minus 1/4 x e negative 1/4 x equals to 0. Okay. Because we know that this cannot be equals to 0. So 1 minus 1/4 x must be equals to 0. So 1/4 x equals to 1, x equals to 4. Okay. So meaning M is the point 4. And y would be 4e negative 1, 4 over e, right? So this is equals to 4 and e 4 over e, right? E1. Okay. Then the equation of the line will be equals to, okay, so this point, right, will be equals to 4. Okay, find the shaded area. Shaded area will be integral of 4 to 0 of xe negative 1/4 x dx. Okay, and then minus area of triangle, minus half times 4 times 4 over e. Okay, so that will be equals to, right? Since we already integrate this, so this is equals to 16e, or negative 16e. Oh, actually, this question is quite friendly. Okay, negative 1/4 x minus 4e, right, my 4xe, 4xe negative 1/4 x. Okay, the plus c is not important. Okay, so that's all. Okay, minus half times 4, 4 and 4. No, sorry. Okay, 16, 8 over e. Right, this is 8 over e. Okay. So subbing in this 4 and 0. Okay, so 4 will get negative 16 over e to power -1. So negative 16e. Okay. Or minus 4, 4, 16. Okay. 16 to power x. Okay. Again, -1. So again, e. Or minus sub in 0. So 0 will be 16, -16. Then this will be 0. Okay. So things are all good. Okay, minus 8 over e by the way, right? Okay, so we have -32 over e plus 16 minus 8 over e. So 16 minus 40 over e unit square. Sure. Okay. Okay. Question 11, linear law, right? Okay. The temperature of a liquid placed in a container can be modeled by the equation in the form theta equals to 32 plus AE negative BT, where A and B are constant and T is the time in minutes that the liquid has been left in the container. The table below records the value of theta for various values of T. On the grid, plot ln theta minus 32 against T and draw a straight line. Okay, so then we have the equation, right? Okay, so theta equals to 32 plus AE negative BT. Okay, so we have to plan first, right? Since they want to plot ln the theta minus 32 against T. So then the logical step will be to take theta minus 32 equals to AE negative BT. Okay, put this in a bracket, ln both sides. So ln theta minus 32 equals to ln AE negative BT, which is equals to ln A plus ln E negative BT, which is equals to negative BT plus ln A, which then makes it easier to plot this against T's. So that means your Y equals to mx plus C, your M is negative B, okay, and your C is ln A. Okay, so, right, in order to plot, okay, what do we need to do? Or we need to have the scale. T is the right scale, okay, but we just need to take ln theta minus 32, okay, as the other scale. So let's do that. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, okay, unfortunately, you all don't have this luxury in exam, right? Okay, so have, okay, theta, okay, ln theta minus 32, okay? So ln 120 minus 32. Okay, so we have 4.477. Okay, and then the next one would be 107.6. Okay, 4.325. Okay, and then we have 97.7, 4.185, 4.025. Okay, for T 10, 20, 30. Okay, so first value 4.477. Okay, so let's get the scale right first. Okay, this is 10, 20, 20 boxes for 0.1. Okay, so 0.1 divided by 20, each box is 0.005 per box. Okay, so if you want 4.477, okay, 4.5 minus 0.05, 005. Okay, 4.495. Okay, answer minus 0.05. 4.49, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is the nearest, right? So 5 box. So that means it will be Then we have 4.325. Okay, so 4.325, 4.3 plus 0.0505, right? 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 blocks. So 4.325. Okay, so 10 is here. Okay, then we have 4.185. So 4.185 is 4.2 minus 0.005 minus 0.005 to 3 blocks, right? 4.5, 3 blocks. So 4.2 minus 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Then the last point is 4.025. So that is 5 blocks. Okay. So then we have 4.477. That's 5 blocks. Okay, let me recheck the point now. 4.325 is 5 blocks. 4.185 is 3 blocks. And 5.25 is mm, 4.157. Okay, and I think this should be better. Okay, use the graph to find the value, to estimate the value of each of the constant A and B. Okay, so C equals to ln A, so ln A equals to, okay, ln A is equals to 4.475, right? 4.475, right? So A equals to E power 4.475, okay? 87.794, okay? 87.8, okay? Okay. B equals to gradient. So B equals to uh, 4.325 minus 4.185 over 10 minus 20. Okay. So 4.325 minus 4.185 divided by 10. Okay, negative 0.014. So B equals to 0.014. Okay. Wait, actually, no. Right, I shouldn't be using, yeah. Okay, sorry. Let's recalculate this. Okay, let's take the two far points. Okay, 4.477, okay, minus 4.025 divided by 0 minus 30. Okay, let's check out. 4.477 minus 4.025 divided by negative 30. Okay, I think this is better result. Negative 0.0151. Okay, oh, so B equals to 0.0151. Okay, use your graph to estimate the temperature of the liquid. Okay, when the temperature of the liquid drops to 100 degrees. Okay, so when, so when theta equals to 100, ln theta minus 32 is equals to ln 100 minus 32. Okay, 4.219. Okay, so 4.219, 4.2 plus 4 box. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, somewhere here. Time would be 10. Okay, so this is 20 box, 10 minutes. Okay, so one box, 0.5 minutes. So this is 15, 16, 17. Oh, so 17 minutes. So T equals to 17 minutes. Okay, more. Okay, that's all. Okay, overall, I think this paper is quite decent. Okay, not too hard. Okay, I think more suited to O level.